Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with the night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear of the vehicle. Also, it comes with the AMG line with the AMG exterior and interior, 20-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels, a black MB Tex interior with a brushed aluminum trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, a 12.3-inch widescreen instrument cluster and media display, touchscreen, push start ignition, navigation, MBUX, which stands for Mercedes-Benz User Experience. You can give it simple voice commands like a smart device by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how can I help you?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Simple as that. You're able to use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad for the infotainment center. This one does come with the parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors. Also have different parking cameras right here. This GLE has 51,249 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.